You can see here in this piano black piece, sometimes we get this, see all these? Those are in the paint. They're these like white specks. It's more evident when we see it on a piano black piece. This is a BMW M3 Competition, and it's in this like metallic black color. And it did have a decent amount of this on the hood, but not to the extent as this piano black side skirt. Now you're probably wondering, you know, why is this so swirled? It's because we've clay barred, we've tried to do a bunch of options to get this out, and they're in there with polish, with clay bar, you name it. It's just in the side skirt. So that's going to look like debris under the film, and you may even be able to feel it. So I can feel it with my finger. It feels almost like a rock chip, but it's not really in a space that I would typically expect a rock chip to be, because if you notice, it's facing up. So, you know, rocks coming up. It could potentially be getting kicked back from the wheel, but it's just an awful lot. They don't appear to be rock chips. They appear to be something in the paint.